Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create double exposure effect using InShot. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot video editor app on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a new project. So I'm going to click on video and select new. And for example, I'm going to add video from this folder or this album. This one, guys, I'm going to create double exposure effect with this video. Okay, and to create double exposure effect, we're going to remove the background of this video and change the background to white. I'm going to click on the cutout option to remove the background, select cutout, and then select cutout here. Okay, and now the background has been removed from my video. And then I'm going to save this video. But wait, I forgot to add white background. So I'm gonna go to the background menu and choose the white background. And I'm going to adjust it a little bit. Okay, now it's time to save this video. I'm going to click on export. Okay, and just hold on until the video is exported. Okay, now it's done, and then we're going to create a new project, and I'm going to add the video we have just exported to this project. Okay, and then we're going to add another video. I'm going to go to the PIP, and then I'm going to blend my first video with this one. Okay, click on this autofill button to fit the screen. And now it's time to blend the video. We can go to the blend menu here. Okay, and then you can select lighten. Okay, and this is the result. As you can see that the double exposure effect has been created. You can either select screen or lighten. It's up to you. I'm going to try the other effect as well. This one is good as well. You can either choose the lighten or the screen or dodge or the overlay. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create double exposure effect on InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.